Go.
Hi, I'm Mr. Funny Number One, and we're going to fill this balloon up with water till it's really, really big. Friends in your hand. And then we're going to put it down, and then you're going to ride over it. So, alright, you hold it. That's enough.
Stop there, stop there. Stop, stop.
Oh,
Stop. Turn her off.
Alright, so there we go. I'll put it down as soon as you guys. Here, you hold the thing. You hold the bottom.
Back water.
There we go.
Put it where it's dry.
Right. Where do you want me to put it?
Halfway.
We're going to just... What?
You're going to throw it at him.
Oh, no, nearly dropped it. Nearly dropped it. Alright, that one. Coming from a land down under. Yeah, there's under. Something or other. Alright, I'll put it down when you come. Ready?